Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope all of you are good and fine. In today's video, I am sharing with you this very beautiful decoration piece idea. This is a very amazing decoration piece and you can also use it as flower vase. It is a very beautiful decoration piece and my grandma have made it and gifted this decoration piece in a pair to her daughter at wedding. So you can see how beautiful this decoration piece is. In this video, I will share with you making details of this decoration piece. So let's get into the video. So this is the decoration piece, which is also called a flower vase, and it is made with different materials. As you can see, 4 flowers and 1 flower at top, and it is started from the base, and this base is in spiral shape and have increase at different points, and it will be proceeded upward in the same spiral shape till the upper side, and after that it will be decreased and joined together from all sides. After that, flowers and this part is made. So now I will show you the material used in this flower vase. This is a traditional tea cup which is used inside it, and this is easily available in Indian and Pakistani market at 10 to 20 rupees cost. So it is very cheap and it is used in village areas of Indian and Pakistani community. So after that, 3-ply cotton yarn is used. I am sharing this yarn ball. This yarn ball is also available in Indian and Pakistani marketplace, and you can make flowers with different colors. You can use any contrasting colors to make these flowers. So now the crochet hook. My grandma always use smaller sized crochet hook for her projects. So I am sharing with you this smaller sized crochet hook, which is 1.75 from one side, as you can see, and 1 millimeter from other side. So you can use either side to make this flower vase. So now with this yarn ball and crochet hook, we would make this flower vase. And now let's talk about this upper part. For this upper part, this hairband is used. This is made with plastic. This is flexible plastic hairband which are for babies. So it is very comfortable in use. So this part is made with this hairband. So first of all, start a spiral shape and then proceed it around this teacup. After that, join it by decreasing stitches from different places. Like you can see, under these flowers stitches are decreased and these are joined inside. You can take an idea about the dream catcher, which is started from steel circular handle and joined inside. So this is also made exactly in the same way. After that, we would wrap the yarn around this hairband and we would wrap the yarn around all the hairband, and in this way we would make this part. And after that with the help of yarn, we would join these sides also. We would join these two sides exactly in the middle of this traditional teacup. After that, we would make these flowers. To make these flowers, we would use an oval shape. So first of all, we would make a chain and then a double crochet stitch on it, and after that we would increase it and make ruffles of the flower. It is an oval shaped flower. After that we would join these beads. Two different types of beads are used in this decoration piece. We would join these beads at the ending part of flowers also, and then we would join these beads at the bottom of this teacup and at the upper part of this teacup also. So you can see how beads are added, and these beads are added with the help of sewing needle. So you can add these beads. These beads are very attractive, and these beads are also easily available in the Indian and Pakistani market. So you can make these decoration pieces very easily. Mostly these decoration pieces are made in pair. My grandma has made 2 of these, so I am sharing this one with you. You can make similar or you can change the design also. So if you like this video, give it huge thumbs up. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.